to each other. Show your real feelings to one another, no matter what demands may be made upon your day. You have the responsibility and the joy of nurturing each other.
I promise to love and care for you, and I will try in every way to be worthy of your love. I promise to be a true and loyal wife and to love you for the rest of my life. I love you so much.
Love you too. You're an amazing woman whom I was lucky enough to have come into my life, but what I love most is that you care. It challenges me to be better for you, for us, every day. Let's go exploring. I love you.
Take off, guess your spell onto me. Open, so get up, desperately. If you're a bird, then I am too.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Magic that you do. And when I lay it down at night, oh, you become the moonlight on me, honey. You are magic, I'm all.
Welcome, thank you for coming, but mostly, Nicole, welcome to our family.
Your current runs through everything.
I know I wouldn't be the person I was today if I hadn't been lucky enough to run into Nicole playing jump rope on the playground of our elementary school.
I can't say whether the two of you will ever get to Mars, but seeing you both so excited to share life's adventures is a really special thing.
They say you can't choose your family, but you can choose your friends. And I'm honored to be up here today, not only congratulating my brother and his beautiful bride, but also two of my best friends.
If you're a bird, then I am too. I'll fly to you, oh let it be. Let me see all the magic that you do. And when I lay me down at night, oh, you become the moonlight on me, honey. You are magic. 1, 2, 3.
And we're seeing two fine people that will change the world and make it better for all of us. And I'm so grateful to have you family come together. We love you both, and we wish you all the best in the future. And can't wait to see what you're going to be doing.